him or her. He, she would always look at the positive side of things despite of all the challenges he, she encounters. The nominees are... Miss Jen Nebres. Yeah! Two winners, one female and one male. And Mr. Sunshine goes to... Hindi ko alam yan. Akala ko nandito yung GC. And Miss Sunshine goes to Gail.
Sunshine ka talaga.
Our next presenter is...
Sayo muna, JR.
Kakanta muna si JR.
Dance.
Yung dance in place.
Okay. This next award is called...
Talentado ka pala eh.
This award is given to the most talented QA as observed by their fellow QAs. She or he has a little of everything. Can sing, can dance, can play an instrument, can act, and excel in sports. The nominees are... Jem Isla. Fuji Boy. Yeah! Roderan. Yeah! And the Zohan. Yeah! And the...
Huwag panlibre ko sa girlfriend ko yun. Pag nanalo ko.
Jem Isla.
May pandate.
Hindi na lang siya nginom, pati ka.
Ay, baliktad.
Our next presenter is RD.
Final.
Proud talaga.
Yeah. This award goes to the QA who is perceived to be always lost, dazed and confused. The Sabaw Award. The nominees are...
Wala ka ng buhay pagkatapos niya.
Puj Kua.
At least ano pa sa lahat.
Johan Monfort. And Maan Lim.
Traumatic na yun sa babae.
And the winner is... The winners are...
May nagpayo.
No.
Isa lang yung babae.
Johan and Maan. Yeah. Ang dalawang pinakasabaw. Thank you, thank you.
Place to be.
SMB.
SMB.
Sabaw.